Man, that's just pointless. I was gonna make a video about, I think, like, school today, but I was like, that's pointless. So I'm gonna make a video about pointless things today. One pointless thing is algebra. Why do we even need to know it in school? I mean, like, when are we gonna use it in life? Like, 2x plus 17 equals what? I don't know. Another thing is incandescent light bulbs. Fluorescent light bulbs are awesome. Don't get me wrong. But incandescent light bulbs, Thomas Edison invented those, like, in the early 1900s. You know? We got new and improved things. Why don't you use them and be more eco-friendly? Yeah. Another thing is muscle shirts ripped all the way down the sides. It's like two pieces of cloth completely, like, sewn together and then with a head hole ripped out. It's like pointless completely. It's so pointless it's stupid. Another thing is sunglasses at night. It's meant to look cool, but it's not cool at all. It's like, yeah, it's not cool. It's like pointless. Yeah. So yeah, don't forget to be awesome and see you on Saturday.